Hey there, Amy here with Sublimation and More and Howbound Company, and in this video tutorial I'm just going to show you how to sublimate on these polylinen little Easter overall bags. These things are super cute. You can sublimate a name and then use them as door hangers for Easter time, or what I'm going to use them for is to stuff all my little goodies for my grandsons, which I've already sublimated their names here. So they're super easy to press, but there are some quick tips that I need to share with you on how to do it correctly. Now the bunny bags will come in a poly bag just like this, and they'll come folded up. Now my supplier misunderstood me and our communication got mixed up, and they accidentally glued the carrot onto the bag. Okay, so quick fix, turn around, it only takes a couple seconds just so that you can sublimate on it, is get your blow dryer or a heat gun, which is what I have here, and you're going to heat up real quick. You just want to get that glue hot so that you can easily remove the carrot. And you see how easy that is? Comes right off, and you can even reheat it back up to stick the carrot back. All right. So next we want to make sure that we lint roll. I was looking for my name. There we go. We want to make sure we lint roll the area that you're going to be pressing, and the reason is because you want to make sure you get any loose fibers off of the material before pressing. If you don't do this, it could leave little strands of like blue colors all over your substrate after pressing, and you don't want that to happen. All right, so next these things come with stuffed with some stuffing here to give the feet a little more fluff. I really don't think you need it, so I'm just going to take mine out. And the stuffing is going to be sewed down by the toes, so you can just get as much out if you want. You can take it out and then put it back in. It's up to you on how you want to do it. All right, next, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to take some Pro Spray and we're going to lightly spray over our name. Okay? And you want to make sure you kind of do it over a trash can, so that way you don't get any sticky on your floor. Now I'm not going to pre-press these because it's a simple design and it really doesn't need a pre-press. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of paper and I'm going to shove it in that pocket where that glue is, so that glue does not get on the tip right here. All right, that's all you got to do is just a piece of paper. Next, we're going to, and I used this paper as a testing paper before and I can see the name on it. I'm just going to cut that name off of my blowout paper here. And what I want to do is, these really don't matter much. You can fold those down. Next, you're going to want to leave your feet hanging off the edge, so you don't squish them really bad. You don't need a lot of pressure, but I would say medium pressure will work. You're going to press for 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And if you're interested, heat guns are really nice to have around anyways. This heat gun, I believe I've got off of, it's a Wagner heat gun. I got off of Amazon for about $30 or $40. You know, we use heat guns here for shrink wrap. We also use them, we're going to be using them for our big vinyl machine. We have a big roll and print and cut that we can do wall decals and all kinds of good stuff, car wraps and that kinds of thing. All right, looks like we're down to the last 25 seconds. All right, and we're down to the last 14 seconds. set. Just lift you up your blowout paper. Take your name, pull it off. You take this paper out. Excuse the fur, baby. All right, and as you notice, it didn't stick in between, so we're good there. Maybe you should recommend putting some paper in between next time so that the glue doesn't transfer over, or even a piece of cardboard would work great. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to heat that carrot back up so that I can stick it right back in. And so what I'm going to do is just heat the carrot up. Take my heat gun or your blow dryer and put it over there till it's nice and hot. I'm going to stick the carrot down in there. And I'm just going to push on it until it sticks good. Now, if you want to add more glue to make it extra safe, then you might want to go ahead and do that, especially if children are involved. But there you go. There's the finished product. And as you can see, with these ones I already did, the carrot's on there really well after resticking it back. All right, so these are cute little bunny bags. They will make also great hanging decorations for your door. These are going to be loaded on the website, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask. All right, guys, thanks for watching.